Detective Sullivan.
Yes, sir.
If you're familiar with what our role is, but kind of a quick summary is basically investigate cases involving criminal activity with city employees, particularly sheriff's office employees. I'm currently involved in an investigation involving the gang unit, which I understand you're a member of currently.
Yes, sir.
Just to give you kind of a rough summary of what I'm looking into, recently there's been several news articles that were put out involving the gang unit. I don't know if you're familiar with these or not, had a chance to see them or not. But my concern is in one of these articles there's some specific claims that the gang unit has been targeting and violating people's rights. So violating constitutional rights has been the issue. My investigation kind of focuses on that. So I've got a couple of questions I'm going to ask you specifically about that. So, how long have you been with the gang unit?
I got here in February of 21.
To present?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then what I've done is I've got a list of detectives I think have been assigned there.
Okay.
If you would just check mark everybody that you've worked with, that's probably the easiest way to kind of cover who you've worked with in there. And obviously the current crew is the ones you're working with now.
Okay, so
Good, Mark.
anytime since I've been
if they've ever worked with you at all in there, just check them. It kind of helps me understand who's been there.
And I'll check myself.
Yeah. It's, anybody else that's missing you can think of?
I don't believe so.
Okay. As far as supervision goes, who's your sergeant been?
Sergeant Howell.
Okay. Any other sergeants?
No, sir.
Okay. And then to kind of jump into my main concerns here. While you've been assigned to the gang unit, have you ever witnessed, participated in, or heard any actions by any members of the gang unit that would have violated anybody's constitutional rights?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you ever feel anytime you ever ordered, directed, or pressured to take any kind of enforcement action that you felt would be unconstitutional?
No, sir.
Was there ever any order or kind of unwritten rule in the office to kind of target or go after any particular group of individuals based on anything other than this or gang affiliations?
No, sir.
Okay. Anything else in that in reference to this kind of information that you might have that would help me out?
No, sir.
All right, that's it, man. I appreciate you coming down.
That's it.
Answers my questions for now. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. I appreciate it.
Yep.